remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. Just gonna take some rust penetrant and just soak this down a little bit. Do the same on the bottom one. You could try to take a 17mm wrench and then a hex bit and try to hold the stud with the hex bit, but what we're gonna do is take some locking pliers and just grab the stud from the back side and use a 17mm socket and take it off that way. Just like that. For the bottom one, we're gonna have to use a wrench, same 17mm, and then if you wanted to use a 5.5 hex bit or hex key and hold the stud from spinning. And loosen this up. And take that nut off. I had to use locking pliers on this one also. And just slide it out. I'm going to take the new link and slide it in position. Put the nut on the top and on the bottom. And take an 18mm ratchet wrench or just a regular wrench. And then you can use a 6mm Allen to hold the stud from spinning and tighten this down. Now I'm going to use an 18mm socket and torque this to 58 foot-pounds. And do the same for the lower one. Install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.